Portable washing machine TG23, twin tub washer machine with wash and spin cycle compartments by ThinkGizmos, trademark protected. Awesome cleaning, latest portable washing machine with spin dryer. The strong and durable portable washing machines features two tubs, one for washing and one for spinning. It has a capacity of 3.6 kilograms wash and 2 kilograms spin. Compact and lightweight. The compact and lightweight design of the portable washing machine makes this ideal for places where space is limited, such as for camping or in a caravan. It does not require plumbing and only requires access to water in a drain area. Wash and spin timer. The wash cycle can run up to 15 minutes on either a soft or normal wash, and the spin cycle can run up to 5 minutes, which means the clothes can be washed for the time required. Easy to use, simple to use. Simply add clothes, water and detergent and set the machine to wash. Once done, give it a spin to try out and rinse through. Now includes a free added lint filter, which, when placed in the wash section, will float on the water, collecting any debris, string, lint, etc. All parts included. Everything needed for the machine to work is included, except water and detergent. Includes in the box is the washing machine, water fill hose, lint filter and fully translated manual, languages, English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.